Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily free access latest GLM 5.3 and GLM 5 Turbo through Zed Code. The free plan costs $0 and give you up to 3 million GLM 5.3 tokens every day. You also get 2 million tokens per day for GLM 5 Turbo, giving you a total up to 5 million token daily. And the best part is you don't need to subscribe to the paid coding Lite, Pro or Max plan just to try GLM 5.3. So if you want to experiment with AI coding, build websites, create games or work on coding projects, this is a great free offer to try. Just remember the free access has a daily token limit, so it's not unlimited. So if you are looking for a powerful AI coding model with free daily uses, GLM 5.3 on Zed.ai is definitely worth checking out. Now let's start the setup. Open web browser, go to search, type Zed.ai, hit enter, go to Zed Code, download Zed Code, download for Windows 64. Now the downloading is started. It is 141 MB desktop app. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Minimize web browser. Open this PC. Select downloads. Here it is Zed Code desktop app. Let's right click on it. Click open. In my case, I will select anyone who use this computer. Click next. Click yes. Zed Code install the following location. Click next. Installation in progress. Completing Zed Code. Click finish. Close downloads. Welcome to Zed Code. Click connect to Zed.ai. Select Chrome. Click just once. Click continue with Google. Now I am logged on as Google account. Check the terms of service and privacy policy. Click continue. Authorization successful. Click open Zed Code. Minimize web browser. Zed Code desktop app is open. Click choose model. You can see two models, GLM 5.3 and GLM 5 Turbo. I will choose GLM 5.3. Now check the plan. You can see the 4 plan available here. I am using free plan. As I earlier talked about plan, total 5 million token per day is free. GLM 5.3 3 million token per day and GLM 5 Turbo 2 million tokens per day free. Click close. Now let's test the response. But we have to set workspace first. Click select project. Click open folder. Click new folder. Now I am giving it name new-project. Click select folder. Now I am given task to him. Create a ping pong game in simple HTML file. Hit enter. Click allow. Now the game is created. Pingpong.html is file name. Open this PC. Documents. Open new project folder. Double click on pingpong.html file. Click just once. Let's test the game. Game is proper working. Game UI is also good. Close web page. Go to Zed Code app. Click on context window. See the uses. So viewers, that's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.